Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the Tachiyomi failed to bypass Cloudflare error.
Fix 1. Clear WebView data. Step 1. Open settings on your phone. Step 2. Go to Apps, Android System WebView. Step 3. Tap Storage and Cache. Clear storage or clear cache. Fix 2. Change DNS settings. Step 1. Go to Settings, Network and Internet, Wi-Fi. Step 2. Tap your Wi-Fi network, Advanced IP settings, static. Step 3. Set DNS 1 to 1, 1, 1, 1 and DNS 2 to 1, 0, 0, 1. Step 4. Save changes and reopen Tachiyomi. Fix 3. Change user agent in Tachiyomi. Step 1. Open Tachiyomi, go to Settings, Advanced User Agent. Step 2. Select a different user agent, e.g., Chrome Desktop. Step 3. Restart the app and try loading the manga again. Fix 4. Use a VPN. Step 1. Install a trusted VPN app. Step 2. Connect a server in a different country. Step 3. Open Tachiyomi and check if the site loads.